I'm Shanae with WTI. So when it comes to my skincare and beauty routine, I am all about keeping it simple. I don't really have the time to put on a bunch of different products, and so that's why I am so in love with this CC cream by IT Cosmetics. So this kind of does it all. It's a foundation, a color corrector, it moisturizes your skin, and it even has UVA, UVB protection of 50 SPF. So I have a medium skin tone, so the shade I'm using it in is medium tan. So I'll just squeeze maybe half a pump to the back of my hand, which is all I need. It goes a really long way, and then I'll apply it onto my skin using a brush. I find that the cream blends beautifully, it smooths out my complexion, giving me full coverage, and it doesn't feel too heavy or irritate my skin. It matches my skin tone, and it doesn't cake or crease. I've also noticed that it holds up really well against water. When I'm trying to wash it off my face, it takes a little more effort. So that is good if you're sweating or if your face gets wet for any reason, you don't have to worry about it sort of melting off your face. So instead of having to apply your moisturizer, your sunscreen, your concealer, and your foundation, this gets it all done in one step. So I think this is really amazing, and that's my point of view.